it's Hannah with WTI. It is in the 90s today and it is hot and muggy, but I have a super cold glass of water right here because of Zukro. This cup is life-saving and it's up to my water intake, which who doesn't need to drink more water in their life? And my favorite part of this is, watch this. It's leak proof. Everything's dishwasher safe, so you can throw this bad boy in the dishwasher. You don't have to hand wash it. It is so heavy duty and durable. I have fallen in love with this thing. This is the cloud color. It is kind of like a light bluish gray color. Very pretty. You get no condensation on the outside of the cup, so it's not leaving rings on my tables or getting my cup holders in our car all wet. I am thirsty all the time, and having a nice cold drink readily available is so nice. It is really easy to hook on my stroller when we go for walks. I even did an experiment to see how long the ice would keep in it. This is when I put the ice in. This is the next morning, 12 hours later. This is in the night, 24 hours after I started it. And the next morning, which is 36 hours. And there is still ice in this thing. It also can hold warm beverages. So I have not tried that because it has been so hot here, but I'm excited in the fall and winter to be able to have a super large glass of coffee with me all the time, knowing it will stay warm. So I feel like everybody needs this cup. This cup has been attached to me since I got it. I think everyone needs one of these, and that's my point of view.